Hello friends, myself Shikha Duggar, working as an assistant professor in Biani Group of Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to explain the important topic of microeconomics, that is monopolistic competition. As we all know that there is four type of market structure. The first one is perfect competition, the another one is monopolistic competition, monopoly, and the last is oligopoly. So, I am going to explain the topic, I am going to explain the market situation which is a monopolistic competition. Now, what is monopolistic competition? Monopolistic competition is a market situation where there are large number of buyers and sellers selling differentiated product at the different prices. And the major point of this monopolistic competition is here there is a non-price competition exists. What are the features of monopolistic competition? First is large number of buyers and sellers. As I have already said that in a monopolistic market situation, we have large number of buyers and large number of sellers. Second is free entry and free exit. That means anyone can enter in the industry or any firm can exit from the industry if he or she wants to. The third is product differentiation. The major point of monopolistic competition is competitor differentiate their product on the basis of packaging, labeling, on the basis of different guarantees or warranties, and there is a non-price competition. Because if we increase the price, the customers will shift from one firm to another and who is a competitor. So, to maintain our customer base, one has to fight like non-price competition, and there is a more elastic demand in monopolistic competition. Now, how price and output are determined in monopolistic competition? Price and output are determined. There are two ways, there are two systems. First is in the short run, second is in the long term. In the short run, how a firm can, in an industry, a firm can earn profit also, normal profit also, and loss situation also. Now, when a firm is making a profit, at what price and at what quantity the firm is earning profit? So, here this is an x-axis, this is y-axis. This is AR. AR is average revenue. This is MR. MR is marginal revenue. This is AC curve, average cost curve, and this is MC curve, marginal cost curve. The concept is MR should, the two equilibrium condition is where MR is equal to MC and MC should cut MR from below. So, this is the point of equilibrium. MC should cut from below. This is the point of equilibrium. Now, how price and output are determined? Like this. We have drawn a line from point of equilibrium which is touching to AR, and from here this is the price and this will be the output in which a firm will earn this much of profit. Now, what is a normal profit situation? In which situation, at what price and what quantity firm will earn normal profit? Again, this is an AR, this is more elastic, this is MR, this is MC curve. The point of equilibrium is MR is equal to MC and MC should cut MR from below. So, this is the point of equilibrium, and now we are drawing a AC curve. Here, AR will be greater than AC. Average revenue is greater than average costs. In this situation only firm will earn more profit. Here AR will be equal to AC. Average revenue is equal to average cost. So, this is average revenue is equal to average cost. We will draw a line from equilibrium till this and a parallel line to x-axis. This will be the price, this will be the quantity in which a firm will earn normal profit. Now, what are the loss situation? This is again y-axis, x-axis, x, y, AR, MR, downward sloping. This is the MC curve. Again, the point of equilibrium will be where MR is equal to MC and MC should cut MR from below. This is the point of equilibrium. AR will be less than AC. AR will be less than AC because we have to show the loss situation. So, and from equilibrium we will draw a line parallel to y-axis which is going to touch AC curve here, and we will draw a parallel line to the x-axis. At this price and at this quantity, firm will earn losses, and loss is this box. This will be in the short run. Now again, how price and output will be determined in the long run. As I have already said that there is a free entry and free exit in the market. Any firm can enter the industry and any firm can exit the industry with the very minimum legal procedure. So, because of this point, free entry and free exit, in the long run a firm will earn normal profit. Why? Because if the firm is earning profit, firm is making profit situation, because of the free entry, one more firm can enter in the industry and the profit will be divided into that particular firm also. That will bring the profit to the normal profit. Or if any one of the firm is exiting from the industry, then his profit or loss will be divided in the industry, his customer base will be divided in this industry, and that will bring the losses of another industries to the normal profit situation. So, in the long run a firm is earning a normal profit. This is all about the monopolistic competition. Thank you so much.